So I'm going to be working on the budget PC build for Christmas for my girlfriend's younger brother. Got my one colored fan, giving him my Cooler Master 2000 RPM, so that way we'll stay cool. I got the motherboard all set up there, brand new Intel cooler, and it should go together fine, plus the 4GB R9 graphics card. So I'm going to be throwing it all together in here and just have it ready. The only thing I'm missing is a hard drive, and then everything is done. So, see how it goes. So it is now finished. I just need to wait for the hard drive. I'm going to be repainting the front, but I got the one colored light. Everything is all hooked together. The power supply is in there. Did the best organization I possibly could. It's not too bad. So, see if she powers up when I get the hard drive, and hopefully everything works. If it doesn't, I'll have to figure out what's broken. Looks alright.